So Artlist just dropped AI apps, basically a bunch of ready-made effects that turn any photo or clip into something viral ready in one click. Without any prompting or editing, you just pick an effect, upload your thing, and it does the work. And in this video, I'm going to show you the best ones and how they work, so let's get into it. But before I get into the feature, if you're new to Artlist, I want to mention that they have a promo right now for 40% off any of the annual plans and unlimited generations for some of the selective plans, specifically AI Creator and AI Professional. So if you're a heavy user and you're planning to be generating a lot, definitely check it all out. It's going to be linked down below. Now let's get into the new features. So I'm hoping most of you guys are familiar with Artlist and how it works by now. And if not, I've already made a bunch of videos on my channel. There's like 2 full courses that I made about Artlist that you can watch later. I'm also going to link them down below. But long story short, most of the magic happens right here in this section that is called AI Toolkit. And just in case though, you can go back to the homepage as well. That's where you can find all the features that are listed here. But today we're going to go into AI Toolkit, and the apps feature is going to be linked right here. You can see the button here on the right side. So let's click into that. And from here, it's pretty straightforward. So here, actually in the top right, you can first of all click on this drop down menu, and then you can either see image based effects or video based effects, or you can see both. But image effects obviously assume that you just upload an image and it's going to transform an image. But video effects assume that you're going to upload an image and then AI is going to turn that image into a video effect of some kind. So let's look into those. And then obviously you got different categories. So you got viral effects, editing tools where you can basically apply editing techniques of some kind without having to prompt this out or having to do this manually in the video editing software. And here we got camera movement effects. So different types of motion control. Actually, when I was playing with the tool, before recording, that's one of the effects that I managed to pull. So as you can see, it literally just used like a picture of me when I was in Chicago, just me standing on this balcony, and from just this single picture it created this pretty epic looking effect. Now besides camera movement, we also got here a whole category with product reviews. So if any of you guys are into ECOM or UGC, this would be huge for you, because this, you just upload a picture of your product and AI gets the job done for you. Now here we got quick tools. So if you need to enhance your skin or add sound effects, headshot generator, or even video voice changer, that's here for you. Now here we got some cool social media effects like 20 locations in 10 seconds, which I've also tested and I'm going to show you in a minute. And now lastly, we got here typography. So if you need to play with your text, and then collabs, basically Artlist collabing with other companies or effects or AI models. And lastly here, we got the new trending Gemini Omni Flash effects added here as well. So with that being said, let's get into the testing and take a look at the coolest effects that we got here. So the first effect I want to showcase to you guys is called 20 locations in 10 seconds. So I want to click into use app, and then I'm going to upload a picture of my choice. And so what I did is I just gave AI this simple preset photo of myself that you see here in the bottom. It's just literally me standing against a white wall. And so let's see what kind of video AI generated. So as you saw yourself, after giving AI just a simple picture of me, you could have a video of yourself in many different places all across the world. So that's a pretty cool effect if you ask me. Now, let's say you're into e-com or in general selling products online. So let's go here into product section. And as you can see, you got a bunch of effects available at your disposal. And so the first one I want to point your attention to is the product lifestyle. So basically I'm going to go into here, and just before diving into this effect, I generated a couple pictures of this sneaker. So let's imagine I'm running a sneaker store and I'm selling those sneakers. So what you could do is you could have an AI generated picture of your sneaker just like so, or you could take it to a studio and just generate like a set of professional pictures. And what you can do then is you can then take your picture of your product and then upload it to an effect like this. Now, typically you would need to prompt this up, but this would lead to wasting credits on multiple video generations, and you obviously need to know how to prompt. So to avoid all that, you literally just upload it into this preset effect that was placed here for you. And let's see what we get back. And so as you can see, you got now a picture of your shoe looking like this. So here it's sitting on a bench and here's just sitting in some random walkway. But yeah, then you can actually take it, click on edit right here, take it back to the AI toolkit and then upgrade it even further if you wish to. And another cool effect I want to show you here in the product category is called packaging mockup. So what it does is it makes it look as if your product is being packaged. So it's yet another little trick you can use, the kind of picture you can make if you're running an e-com store of some kind, or in general you're selling online. So let's see what we get. And so as you can see here, we can see our shoe sitting on top of a box, obviously a shoe box. And so that's something you could also place on your online store or website. Now let's move on to another effect I want to show you. Now for this next effect that I'm about to show you, I actually didn't have a particular video of myself that would just fit the context in place. So what I did is actually went back to the explore page, and that's what you could do here as well. Just go to the explore and you're going to see generations of other people that just look phenomenal and you could get inspiration from those. And so I found a video of this girl, looks like she's in South Korea or Japan, and I'm going to download this video real quick. And so now I'm going to go into apps and I'm going to go into viral effects, and I'm going to spot this effect that is called pop art collage effect. I think it's pretty cool and dynamic. So now let's upload a video, and yes, this one requires a video, not just an image. So now I'm going to click on generate and let's see what we get. And so this is what we got. This looks absolutely epic. If you were to have a video of yourself doing something aesthetic and then you were to turn this into something like this would absolutely go viral on Instagram and get you views and impressions. Obviously, it's all about the concept. And so I think that it just perfectly matches the whole Asian culture and like just the aesthetics. So I think that is why it looks so stunning. Another cool place to be, like maybe somewhere in New York or like a big bustling city. I think this effect would go absolutely crazy with this one. So next one I want to show you is going to be in a category that is called social, and we're going to go here into Bonkers UGC Ad. Now we also have here the UGC product video. Pretty straightforward. You just grab your product, you upload your additional angles or the images of your UGC. You can write your prompt, obviously your script, and whatever it is you want to do, and then you're gonna get the kind of video that you see here on the screen. Pretty straightforward. And we already done this with a picture, so I'm not gonna go too much into that one. But what I do want to show you is the Bonkers UGC ad, because this one has the absolute potential to go viral. So as you can see, it's just gonna create absurd and ridiculous videos with your products. And so all you need to do is you upload your product. So let's once again go and upload a video of our product that we already used, which is the sneaker. And let's just see what kind of video that we get. And the whole idea here is to create viral videos that have the capacity to go viral organically and just essentially get free views, if you will, because, if a video is absurd, it has a high likelihood to go viral. So let's see what we get.
All right, morning run. Got to tell you guys about these new kicks. Look at this grip, even no slips. Another personal best achieved with zero fuss.
Hey guys, lovinging is just insane. Feels like I'm running on clouds. And the grip, unbelievable, recommended for, well, everything actually.
Hey guys, an easy morning run here.
Really good Max
support. A responsive cushion.
Unbeatable grip comfort. Another perfect training day, thanks to Nike.
Hey guys, checking out these new Air Max 1s. Grip is insane, even in these conditions. Not for any run, seriously. And they still look fresh. Absolutely.
So another cool section of effects here that I want to point out is called editing tools. Pretty self-explanatory. We've got a bunch of cool effects here, such as dust storm. If you got a video that you want to transform, or smoke effect, or day to night. And that's actually the one I want to test. So I'm going to click into that. So I'm going to upload this image of me and let's see how it looks. All right, and so here's the result. Again, I'm going to pull up the original image real quick. So, I mean, it's okay, but it's a little bland. It's in the daylight as well. But this is the final result. That's way better if you ask me, and that's what I would post on Instagram as well. So remember about these editing effects. And that's another version that I generated. Looks pretty decent. That's the actual nighttime, but this is more like, this definitely looks edited, but it doesn't make it look worse. So in fact, I prefer this one. So that was pretty much all I had for today's video. Now remember about the promo that Artlist is running with 2 months off the annual plan and unlimited credits for certain plans. So remember to grab it down below if you haven't. Otherwise, if you want to see the full course about this tool, you can click right here. You're going to see the full course that I recently made that covers every single feature that they have. So click there and I'll see you in that video.